My name is Perry Medland. I'm a traffic signal timing technician here in Pinellas County, Florida. Today we went over and inspected a radar system that's designed to collect traffic counts. We want to see the amount of vehicles that are coming into the county, especially during rush hour periods. That way we can know whether our traffic flow has got heavier over the past couple of years, and we can adjust the timing accordingly.
One good feature about this product is the wireless communication. With previous installations, you had to run a cable 1,200 feet back or 600 feet back, and this makes a more simplified solution.
The data is sent automatically via internal 4G modems to our Tetryon cloud server. It stores the data and shows reports, shows information about the traffic, about their system. It's one central location that provides all the data for all their speed lanes.
You know, Pinellas County here is ever growing. We want to see the influx of vehicles that come here year on, year out. It's getting busier and busier here in this county. We want to be able to provide our citizens with the best flow of traffic possible. With all this radar detection, it enables us to do that remotely, and we can adjust the timing to optimize that the best.